What's up guys, Johan here. Today in the bay we've got this X6. The car is a very dark metallic blue. The customer phoned us. We're going to color change it to ruby red. We're actually busy with it at the moment. Some of the panels are off, they're actually in for a respray. Like all the plastic pieces we're going to spray gloss black. The rest of the car we're going to wrap ruby red. We'll take you along for the ride, check it out.
Say it do, say it don't, never do what you're told. Is your head in the sky with the clouds and the smoke? Maybe you're life in a cage, sooner or later you break. Maybe it's one of those days. Fish on a boat in a lake, nothing in the back of my brain, nothing was ever the same. Sooner or later you break. Maybe it's one of those days. Fish on a boat in a lake, nothing in the back of my brain, nothing was ever the same. Hey, hey, smell for me, world's on fire, let's work my plane. Hey, hey, feels so great, we all got problems, let's work my plane. Let's work my play.